All right, this is part 2 of even and odd numbers and skip counting. I realized when I exited full screen that it cut off my recorder. So here's the last little bit of the video that I was trying to work with you on. So even numbers, remember anything that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 is going to be even. Anything that ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 will be odd. And we'll test that out on some big numbers in a minute. But look in the ones place, it'll help you. So there it is, ending with 2. So, we know that one would be even. Here we have 15 ending in 5. Well, 5 is in the odd spot. So we know that will be, odd. Sorry, technical difficulties. There we go. We want to get rid of that and put an O in there. Okay, and then let's go bigger. So 123, if I look at that 3 in the ones place, well, 3 is in the odd column. That one's going to be odd. And then if I have 341, looking at the ones place, well, that's in the odd spot, so we're going to be odd. If I have 42, and even numbers in with a 2, we could divide that evenly, so we would put even for that. Okay, I'll let you do the rest on your own. Let's test it out. That's what I was trying to do whenever I cut the video off on accident. So we're going to pretend we have $43. Okay, let's think about $43 in terms of tens and ones. So if I'm looking, how many tens does 43 have? Well, it has 4 tens. So I'm going to draw 4 tens for you. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40. We'll think of those as $10 bills. How many ones does it have? It has 3. So we'll think of those in the ones place as $1 bills. So now I have friend 1. I have friend 2, okay? Let's try to divide this money evenly between the two friends, but remember, I can't break any of the dollar bills into change. I have to keep them as whole dollar bills. Can I divide $43 evenly between my two friends? So we're going to take our tens. I'm going to redraw them since they were not separated. So I'm going to say 10 for you. That guy's gone. 10 for you. 10 for friend 1. And 10 for friend 2. So I've used all my $10 bills. Those are gone. So right now, this person has 20. This person has $20, right? Even so far. Now we got to deal with those ones. So looking at your ones, we have 3 ones. So I'm going to give one of my dollar bills to friend 1. That's gone. One of my dollar bills to friend 2. That's gone. One of my dollar bills to friend 1. That one's gone. I'm out of money. All right, let's see how much money friend 1 got. Well, 10, 20, 21, 22. Friend 1 ended up with $22, right? Those are nice twos. Look at friend 2. They have 10, 20, 21, right? So friend 1 got $22. Friend 2 got $21. So 43. Is it even or odd? It's odd. Why is it odd? It's odd, not just because it ends in 3. I know I told you that 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 will be odd, but the reason it's odd is because it cannot be divided into 2 equal groups using whole numbers, right? I cannot break it into 2 equal parts evenly. I know some of you will say, but I could take that dollar and break it into 50 cents and 50 cents, but we can't break the dollar. When we're talking about even and odd, you're not going to break the numbers into smaller parts. You're keeping your whole number. So we would end up with 22 on one side, 21 on the other side. And so, knowing that it ends with 3, that helps you to know it's going to be odd, but this proves it because I cannot divide it into 2 equal groups. Okay? All right, anything else? There's a few other things. Circle the set that's even. This one would be 7. This would be 6. Think about which one is even. This is your doubles, right? So if I'm thinking, okay, I've got to put the same number plus itself to equal 10. So what plus what equals 10? It has to be the same number. This is a repeated addition sentence. That's what makes it a double. So it's the same number plus the same number, just like 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay? Think about 11. Is it even or odd? Don't just tell me about that one. Tell me, can it be divided into 2 equal groups? That's what we're asking in the explain part. Don't just tell me it ends with a 1, so that makes it a blank number, even or odd. Tell me what makes it an even and odd number. If I were divided into 2 equal groups, what would those groups look like? Same thing for 14. So that's kind of what you're doing on those slides. All right, there's the end of my lesson. So for tomorrow, which is day 5, you're not going to have another video. That's pretty much the whole lesson. So you're just reviewing. So finish out the packet that has been included and go over any slides that you need. And if you have any questions, contact me through Remind, email me, do what you need to do to get in touch. All right, have a great day.